Hello, everybody. Today, our academic lesson is going to be over yoga relaxation and the benefits of yoga and just ways that you can hopefully relax a little bit in your life. So, benefits of yoga: improves your mental health, can decrease your stress, can lower your blood pressure, can lower your heart rate, relieve anxiety, improve your flexibility and balance, improve your breathing awareness, practice mindfulness, and improve your state of relaxation. So, a couple common ones that you might think of when you think of yoga would be flexibility and balance, maybe breathing, and then maybe and hopefully relaxation, which is what we are going to get into today. So, I'm going to give you guys 6 tips to help relax and benefits you can get through doing yoga. So, tip one is going to be to exhale. So, we're going to talk about that breathing. So, if you focus on long exhales, it can put your body in a more relaxing state by calming your nervous system. So, if anybody has ever been really stressed out before and you just close your eyes and think about exhaling, it automatically makes yourself way more relaxed. So, I use this when I'm trying to fall asleep at night. I'll count 5 seconds of breathing in, I'll hold it, and then I'll count out for 5 seconds of breathing out. And just being aware of my breathing and slowing it down after a busy day or when I'm thinking about so many other things, just focusing on that breath actually relaxes me to the point of where it helps me fall asleep. So, something else that I need to help fall asleep is being able to focus my mind, almost focusing on not focusing at all. Because I feel like we have so many different things going on in our lives that we get really caught up in thinking about the next thing and the next thing. That if we're able to focus our mind on this conscious breathing and without letting it spin, with all the stressors going on, our homework, our jobs, whatever it is, okay, it can help you stay calm if you can really just be aware of maybe what your mind is thinking about and what's important now. So when I'm trying to fall asleep, I try to think of nothing. I think of the absence of everything. I just think of like the color black. I try to focus on absolutely nothing that may be stressing me out at that time, focusing it in, focusing on my breathing, and automatically it relaxes me. Tip number 3 is going to be minimizing external noise. So it's going to be different for everybody. You all have your different spaces at home, and some people have more distractions than others, whether it's TV, your phone, you have other people in your house. Maybe you have a lot of windows and bright lights. Maybe it's super dark in your house. Maybe there's a lot of kids playing outside on the street. Maybe your neighbors have a dog that you can hear barking all the time. Whatever it is, you guys just need to have your own place to be able to minimize this external noise. Okay, so whether it's a spot in your house, maybe it's a certain park, something at school, whatever it is, find a place where you can just unplug, unwind, and have your time to yourself. It's going to help you relax. You want to be able to turn your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. Okay, our thoughts become our habits, and our habits become our life. So if we are constantly talking negatively to ourselves, we're going to live and we're going to lead a negative life. Okay, so think about the saying of don't say anything to yourself that you wouldn't let somebody else say to you. All right, so we are often our hardest critics, and that's something to learn to help relieve our stress, to help relax us. Is you know what, if I wouldn't let somebody else say this to me, why would I let myself say it to myself? Okay, so try to have these negative thoughts, these negative habits be pushed out by positive things. Okay, talk to yourself in a positive light. Be kind to yourself. Tip number 5, which is my favorite, would be to remember to laugh. Okay, so whether it's watching a funny TV show, calling your funny friend, doing a funny TikTok, whatever it is, find a way to genuinely laugh in your daily life, and it will help you relax. Okay, it's really hard to have a good old belly laugh and still be really stressed out. I promise. And then tip number 6 is just practice all of them, right? Like anything else, to be good at something, you're going to have to practice. So you're not automatically going to be good at focusing on your exhale. You're not automatically going to be good at turning your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. But the more that you can practice it, the more you can try to implement it into your daily life. Hopefully, it can help you relax. Hopefully, it can help you decrease a little bit of that stress.